Okay, we have this Russwinn lock that I received from Johan in Sweden. It didn't have all the pins in it, so I have repinned it. So it'll be a challenge lock for someone. So let's see if we can open it this morning. Start here at the front, work our way to the back. Got a little false movement out of pin 1. Pin 2 moved a little. Pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 5 and 6 moved a little. Got a little bit more of a false set out of pin 5. Okay, pin 6 moved a little bit more. Let's go back to the front. Check our pins. Feels like pin 1 is still giving us a little feedback, but not sure. Okay, there it is, open on pin 6. Okay, let's gut it and see how this lock is set up now. Okay, pin 1 is serrated. Pin 2 is serrated. Pin 3 serrated. Pin 4 is serrated. Pin 5 is serrated. Pin 6 is serrated. We'll take a closer look at the pins in a moment. The plug is threaded in every chamber. To give more resistance to picking the lock. Alright, let's see how the top is set up. Okay, we have a mushroom type pin in number 1. We have a spool in number 2. We have another spool in number 3. Number 4 has a little small wafer for an upper pin. Number 5 has a standard pin for upper pin. And let's see what we have in number 6 is a mushroom type pin. Okay, that's what we have in this Russwinn. Let's take a closer look at the pins. Okay, and number 1 and 2 got this mushroom type pin. It was positioned like this, and you have the serrated pin, key pin, a regular spool in number 2, serrated key pin. Okay, number 3 and 4, serrated key pin, and a okay, that's a T-pin, more or less a T-pin, and it was set like this in the chamber. And here we had a standard small wafer for an upper pin, and a serrated key pin. I just love these type of locks, don't you? Okay, and then in the number 6 position, 5 position, we had just a standard pin and also a serrated key pin. And in this one we had another serrated type mushroom spool and a serrated key pin. So that's what we have in this Russwinn this morning. Okay, I thank you and I appreciate your time. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you very much again, and have a nice day.